Mzansi sawubona, Mzansi ngiyakubulisa. Anti ngithatheni le thuba, let me take this golden opportunity ngiyangibulise wonke umuntu ozababuke le video. I just want to be decisive and specific. I'm responding ku Mr. Nkomonde, ubaba lo sebenza DCS, Department of Correctional Service. And I'm not responding in a way of being negative or in a form of being personal, but I'm supporting him 100%. Mzansi, don't get me wrong. Bafowethu ansondeleni lana abozakwethu, sondelani lana nina bobhuti esibuya le phakathi sonke emjiba phakathi eprison thina ama ex offenders. Igama lami abaningi bangazi ngo Mr Speaker la ku platform e social media. I'm an ex-con spent 17 years behind bars, obhale incwadi ngempilo yakhe ongashintshanga ngoba ijele limshintshile, oshintshe ngoba usaba ukubuyela ejele. Bafowethu, we will never be us. We will never find peace in our own self. We will never be able to correct our offending behavior and also accept the opportunity a second chance esiphiwe istate esiphiwe na umphakathi lo sulimazile, unless we accept the truth and accept ipast yethu so that we can let it go. Bafowethu, ayikho into ekumele si embrace ngecrime. Ayikho into egenza ihero just because of ubuyiko pantinta. Ayikho into egenza ihero just because of uke wahlukumeza, wadlwengula, wabulala, warape, wayenza yonke le heinous crime, yonke inhlobo of any crime that you can mention, all of this colors ye crime le uyenzile, then want to come here sifuna ukublame ubaba uNkomonde. It's high time we break the silence and the scourge of not recruiting, the scourge of not becoming heroes or playing heroes yokuthi ngoba uke waboshwa, ngoba uke wabantswembu, waphatha spam, wagijima, wajumpa ama counter, kumele i-youth yethu ifollowe kuma footprint wethu. That is nonsense on a high rate at its best, on a high level. Ngibuya phakathi ejele ngihlukumezekile kakhulu. Mr Nkomonde, I highly salute you and I applaud you that you made the public aware that we need help in terms of our compliments when nonsense. It's up to us, any individual, that you change or you get worse. We don't need compliments, even the second chances to be welcomed in society. Ukuthola lelo thando, ukusizakala empilweni. We need to work hard for that, because you might have been changed today. Impilo yakho igutukile wena for the better, and you want to be the good father to your kids, or washiya le ntombazana or lo mama or lo sisi nabo. But what about lo baba omthathile bantwaneni bakhe laba bangasakhona ukuthola ipapa isinkwe etafuleni because of wena? What about lo mama omthathile umphefumulo wakhe ongasakhona ukuthi abe khona for abantwana babo because of wena? What about lo mama ongasakhona ukukhohlwa empilweni, ophila ngetrauma ye depression, ye stress, ye anger, ahlukumeze nabantu abangamenzanga lutho because of wamdlwengula? What about labantu abacripple because of ama victims we crime wezenzo zethu? What about bona? You have changed, but the pain in people, the deeper pain that you have inflicted in people's lives haven't changed. There are people who said, let us just accept, forgive and forget. There are people who are tolerating you while back bona. There are people who still wishes to see you dead. Asebenzeni kanzima ukulungisa umzansi. Let's become the main contributing factors, subjects and element in building a crime-free zone society and a better free country so that everyone can be free. Abantu baphila ngovalo. Umuntu makaqala ezwe sound abona ini uyabheka uyavika. Yet we go to podcast, we embrace crime, we worship crime, and then we promote crime, we condoning nonsense. Mr Nkomonde, you did nothing. And the other thing that we need to rectify society, asiyekeleni ukublame abanye abantu for izenzo zabanye abantu. Ushilo Mr Nkomonde wathi akana nkinga no Scheme GP. Scheme GP has done anyone nothing. Ubuthemba Lukele has done anyone nothing. Urana i-content yakhe uyenza owakhe umsebenzi, akabizanga muntu athi kuye amfaka amagama emlomeni ukuthi embrace. Mr Scheme GP is exposing in fact what we are in denial with as society, ukuthi bakhona abantu abayenza izinto eziso. He wants you to hear nizizwele, but people thina siya ku podcast zakhe yithi senze ngathi those were the good moments, those were the good things. Sikhuluma engathi siyaqhoma ngayo, sikhuluma engathi the next person ayihalele instead of sikhuze. I was once even a person oye waya ku podcast yakhe, I even shed tears because of ipast engihlukumezile mina. I don't even want to go to a point ukuthi abantu bangizwele ubuhlungu. Ngizwa ubuhlungu ukuthi since I have a fine finally ngiye ngazibona amaphutha wami, finally ngiye ngabona ukuthi ngangiphila udoti, ngangiphila nonsense. What about my victims? But I say to God, thank you. In the line yama criminal activities wami angibulalanga but ngihlukumezile, and ngiyazibuza ukuthi njengoba ngivela kuma public platform on public spaces ngimotivator, ngi-inspire, ngizama uku-educator ulusha as an angry person positively ukuthi angifuni ukubona umntwana omunye umama ahamba into my footprint. Ayikho into emnandi ngejele, bazokuhlukumeza, bazogcwalisela ejele akho mnandi. Yekelani ukumislilwa izinto zekuthi kunama-phone phakathi, kuyanyiwa phakathi. Yekelani abo clever baloku bazontshela udoti labuzani thina. Mina angistart ukungena ejele ngisasemncane. 17 years of my life I've spent it unproductively. I have a book engiyibhalile ebizwa See Beyond Your Distraction. Ikhuluma ngami impilo yami from la iqale khona nobuhlungu engiye ngabuthola phakathi ejele. I was poisoned ejele, ngikwaziwe ejele, ngihlothozisiwe ejele. I wouldn't come here and want to embrace nonsense. But Nkomonde phambili, forward we go. I'm one of those ex-cons who's not angry, who took no offense about what you said. Abanye babo, truly speaking, abanye babo bayazazi balalo, abanye babo bahlukumezekile ngokocansi, abanye babo they were slaves, abanye babo bahlothoziswa intanga zabo, yet ngaphandle bazomalana. Kuma podcast bafethu asikhulumeni iqiniso ukuthi ungafisela umntana omunye umama or ungabi hero ngamanyala kumntana omunye umama. Akunamntwana ekusamela landela emva kwethu. Kumele silwele igeneration le esiyikhulisayo esinayo ngaphambili ukuthi yazini, salute, no more turning back. Bantwana bethu, crime doesn't pay, there's no honor amongst thieves. And I want to say on behalf of those who can't even ask for forgiveness to the victims, my victims, ngicela uxolo whoever and noma bakuyenzeni uhlukumezeke kangakanani. Ama victims are not, I was holding a podcast, I was holding life yam one day ngithi, what about the pain that still lives with ama victims? Lawe singakhona ukuya kuma podcast machita sothi sicela uxolo noma ungaxolelwanga at the same time, but the fact that you said uyaxolisa, izinto zakho zizoxola empilweni, yonke into efisayo izoxola empilweni. NoNkulunkulu kulabo abangezwanga uzobahlebela ukuthi uxolisile shame, no matter the pain esi-inflictile isakuphethe namanje, kodwa uye wathi uyaxolisa. Sengeleni uku-embrace amanyala. Angithengi isikeleme, angithengisi isikeleme, angithengi buso bukamuntu, ngima kanje. I don't even protect anyone, but I want to be honest. Ubhuti Skim GP akasibiza sifake amazwi lawa okuphapha, okukhwenza, okufuna ukwaziwa, uku-embrace amanyala. Uyalalela azathi athuke naye, ufuna ukuthi uMzansi ubone ukuthi what kind of people we are, and then what kind of an angry nation we are, and what kind of animals we are. Siyazi-expose yena ka-embrace anything in fact uyasi-expose. Asikhulumeni nginenzeleni umzekelo. Umuntu makacashwe emsebenzini ucashwa ukuthi uyasebenza, omunye u-end up atshontshe emsebenzini, omunye u-end up angawuhloniphi umsebenzi wakhe aqoshwe. Umntwana uya esikolweni afake i-uniform, phakathi kwe-uniform omunye abhema ama-drugs, omunye aphuza utshwala. We can't blame the school, we need to blame the behavior of an individual. Umuntu uyadrinka adrive, manje adrive imoto yakhe adakiwe, aloku adrive azi ukuthi it's against the rules. We can't blame the car, we need to blame the driver ophuze adakiwe wayekhosa i-accident and then wahama abanye abantu. So I'm here, ngima nawe bhuti Nkomonde 24/7. Mr. Speaker, akana filter, akahlobisi manyala, angidecorate nonsense, ijela likaze libe mnandi. And let me tell you, as you said Mr. Nkomonde, not all of us are angry. In fact, we are supporting. I'm an ex-con, mina bhuti ngihlothozile empilweni yami. Most of they know me. Mabayibona le video, i-nickname yami ubhowudu wamasimba wayenonsense. Ngambulala ubhowudu, mina ngaze ngamfihla ngamfakela ne-tombstone, kwakhuphuka ubongani, wabuya ubongani, wathatha impilo yakhe back from ubhowudu. Mina ngithi phambili, way forward. Ex-cons, it's high time we apologize. It's high time we try to be the prescription of healing to our victims instead of becoming the heroes of nonsense. Phambili ngawo bhuti Nkomonde, and ngizontshela asiyekeni ukublame abanye abantu for amanyala wabanye abantu. Lama podcast I was promoting, lama podcast aphana nge-platform ukuthi ziveze, uziveza nge-nonsense wena uthi uyachama, uthi uthatha ama-point, uthi ufuna ukwaziwa kangcono. That is nonsense. I-past yakho ungayi-embrace, i-past yakho i-regrete ngoba azange ikulethele any bank statement, azange ikuphe any promotion, azange ikuphe any permanent employment, azange ugraduate ngale past yakho. Asiyekeleni uku-embrace amanyala. Youth, there's no honor amongst thieves. Ntwana zami, la nihlangene ngamanyala nizohlukana ngamanyala. Ijela lisimnandi, akusipap and face, akusikanyoko laphayana.